because it seems like he wears out a pick every time he plays.
I blow through at least one a day.
Yeah, that's pretty incredible. But now I was noticing your shirt because the shirt has no words, but it definitely is saying something.
It is saying something. Yeah.
So what is the shirt saying here?
Well, I wear this shirt to remind myself how difficult it is to show things in pictures. Because it's my favorite radio program, This American Life, but you can see why they're in radio because it doesn't work. So
This American Life. I mean, it looks like it could be something else entirely.
Turn that down a bit. Yeah. It does look like it could be well, people guess plant. Do you know what I mean? Maybe 420.
Yeah, that's
what
I was thinking.
Like most people kind of go for that. So
okay.
I don't know. All right.
Okay, you guys all set? Okay, put your hands together for Scott Koblish.
All right, we're out of snappy patters, so we got to start. All right. You will not see me. I've gone to the other side of a darkened sea. No boats will ride this tide of cold discovery. Though you walk 1,000 miles, you'll not follow me. Bow down to those you love, but call no man your master. Build your walls and ceilings high to hold away disaster. Know the days on which we cried were followed eventually by laughter, and in turn these sorrows will make a ruin of happily ever after. Never blindly follow another's flag. Hold on to your freedom. Hold the passion away at arm's length. Beware the lure of its beacon. The crowns of the Lord are how the wicked hold on to their vile kingdoms. No man's penny, no man's claim is worth sleeping with their demons. I will fade as though I'd never been, and live only as long as your memory. I love life, I loved you all, and I lived each day as my last. So raise your glasses high, for you will not see me. I've gone to the other side of a darkened sea. No boats will ride this tide, cold discovery. Though you walk 1,000 miles, you'll not follow me. Death has come for me, my darling dear, there'll be no recovery. We ride the bloody swollen tides of history's endless sea. So raise your spirits high, for you will not see me. And though my bones are sunken 6 feet deep, I'll be kissing you, I'll be loving you, I'll be kissing you eternally. Thank you. Oh. came out of the heat and the rain, a crazy look in your eye, blowing me off my feet, mixing up the ground with the sky, and throbbing in my brain, and howling in my ears. Your voice of thunder as day turned to velvet night. I lay beneath you, view of the sky from my perch on the ground. You were spinning, spinning above me, the storm cloud gathering round. Lightning from one eye to the other, twirled and twirled faster, faster, descending, fallen angel, no man your master. But I remember you just like a tornado. I remember you just like a tornado. There was nothing left after I came to. There was nothing left after you came through. Drawn to you, twisting and twisting out of you, tore up everything, flayed the ground. I watched you carried aloft a vortex of ruin about you. Fingers caressed the leaves, drawn to the next town. Like a tornado, I remember you. Just like a tornado, there was nothing left after I came to. There was nothing left after you came through. There was nothing left, nothing left, nothing left, nothing left. There was nothing left after you came through. There was nothing left after you came through. You got a little extra static in there. That was great. Worked out good. It was right at the end.
That's right. It sounded like a storm coming out. You know,
Yeah. Storm.
That's kind of what it was about, right? You know.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was about your pick. You know, nothing left after you were through. It's like, wow. You know. But
There you go.
that's for you. All right, Scott Koblish.
All right. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, you saw her with Cara Destino. Now you're going to hear